Hello, this is Tachibana Software Company coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we got our hands on an Echo Auto, which as it says here is the first Echo for your car plus Alexa. It's the front of the box. These are some of the features. And then here's a list of what's needed and what's in the box. Basic advert and the simple things you can do with it. Some more information on what you can do with it. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and open this easy open tab. That opened it nice and clean. So first thing I see here must be the air vent mount. Looks pretty sturdy to me. Alright, seems to be everything. This seems to be an empty box. I think this is what the mount was sitting on in the box. Okay. Looks like first we have contents, how to attach your air vent mount, plug it in, download the app, talking to your auto. There's the compatibility. Basic introduction card on how to get the most out of your auto. Alright, see what else we've got here. This looks to be the auto device itself. This must hold, yep, this fits perfectly in here. There's a little square hole in the back of the auto that perfectly fits the mount. As you can see, it's pretty small, fits in the size of my hand. Has some rubber feet, I guess if you use it without the mount. This must be the mute button, this is the summon button. And it looks like there's a light up bar right here, probably with the blue ring that's pretty common on the devices. There's your auxiliary spot, your USB slot. And here we go, a micro USB cord. And there's our auxiliary cord. I think that's everything. Yep, that's everything in the box. Alright, thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time.